live. Don't really know much about them. It runs and drives, but the slave cylinder is out. So we got the tow truck picking it up. And yeah, just gonna go through it, go through the motor and trans. It does have a little bit of rust right there. Expected, but honestly, it's a pretty solid car. Interior is all there. This is a selling point for me. Boom, everything is clean. Another project, the last car I picked up was a project as well, the Camaro IROC Z. I'll be getting that on my channel as well. That one wasn't running when I picked it up, but now it's running great. I'll do some more videos on that car, but I plan to keep this Toyota Corona for a while. I want to, you know, get the rust repaired, go through the engine and transmission, make sure all that's legit, lower the front end a little bit, and then start cruising it. You know, probably get it painted, but I really like the color that it has. But if I'm going to repair the rust, I might as well, you know, go a different color. But if you guys want to see more of this car, welcome, the 1969 Toyota Corona. If you want to see more of it, drop a comment down below. Any questions about the car, drop a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll have more of this car coming to my channel. So it was running great, but then I think the slave went out on it. So we can't really get it to shift gears without grinding, you know?
Yeah.
But it runs all right, you know?
How fun, man.
It's a cool little car, huh?
Oh, it is. Yeah. It is.
What's that back there? There it is, the wagon. Oh, hey, dude, I've never seen a Mercedes wagon before. Is that a wagon? Man, you don't really see too many of those. Oh, yeah. But there she goes on her way home. California car. You don't really see many of these cars, honestly.
Wondering how to happen today, but
yeah.
probably better now than later.
Yeah.
You know?
At least I know.
Yeah.
Look at those Connie wheels though. Oh man, that's some Fast and the Furious stuff right there. Those are nice. Yeah, you tow a few cars for him?
Well, through his work, yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice. This tow truck guy is pretty cool. What's he got here? Continental tires. Can never go wrong with the Continental tires. Getting it strapped up. Then we're gonna have the mechanic check it out, but it's pretty smooth. It's pretty solid though. Come on, man, the car's from '69. Look at those seats though, man. Makes me want to go cruising. Those are nice seats. Trim. All the trim is there, man. JDM car, Japanese car with trim like this, that's nice. Till then, guys, 1969 Toyota Corona, 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual. Cool little classic car.